Today, I'll show you how to wire transfer with Sofi. Whether you're new to Sofi or just looking to understand the wire transfer process, this guide will break it down for you in simple steps. Let's get started by opening the Sofi app or visiting their website. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. If you're already familiar with the login process, this should be a breeze for you. If not, make sure to have your login details handy to avoid any hiccups. Once you're logged in, navigate to the banking section. Here, you'll find your account details, which are essential for wire transfers. If you're planning to receive a wire transfer, you'll need to provide the sender with your routing number and account number. These numbers are crucial as they guide the transfer of funds directly into your Sofi account. Make sure you double-check these details before sharing them to avoid any errors in the transfer process. Now, if you're dealing with international wire transfers, things can get a bit tricky. Sofi may not directly support international wire transfers, so you might need to use a third-party service like Wise. It's a great alternative that can facilitate international transactions smoothly. Just ensure that you follow the instructions provided by the third-party service to complete your international transfer successfully. Once the wire transfer is processed, the funds will appear in your Sofi account. This typically happens within a few business days, depending on the type of transfer and the banks involved. Keep an eye on your account to confirm that the funds have been successfully transferred. If you notice any delays or issues, don't hesitate to contact Sofi customer support for assistance. And that's it. You've just learned how to wire transfer with Sofi. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. By following these steps, you can easily manage your wire transfers within the Sofi platform, ensuring your funds are moved securely. Remember, for any questions or additional guidance, Sofi's customer support is always there to help. Thanks for tuning in, and happy banking with Sofi.